Salam alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Leo's Chronicles, where narratives roar to life. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the recent events surrounding Burak Özcivit's visit to Pakistan, which has stirred up quite a controversy. But before we get into it, let me tell you that Burak Özcivit himself shared a video on his Instagram story, giving us a glimpse of the situation. In the video, he's surrounded by a large crowd of Pakistani fans as he makes his way to the Jade perfume showroom in a mall. The clip does show an unfortunate incident where a young boy falls in front of Burak, but is quickly assisted by security. Now, let's talk about what happened next. Well-known entertainment news journalist Birsen Altuntas made a rather bold claim about this incident. This bigoted journalist woman, I don't know at whose behest or to herself, wrote this shameless thing that Burak Özcivit was almost crushed in the crowd of people. This statement ignited a wave of controversy and raised questions about such claims. By the way, I'm not a fan of Burak Özcivit, but I couldn't help but responding to this biased journalist's cheap talk. It's worth noting that no one can deny the immense popularity of a celebrity like Burak Özcivit, and when such a beloved figure is greeted by adoring fans, it's only natural for large crowds to form. Yet, it's essential to distinguish between an enthusiastic gathering and a dangerous situation. Has anyone heard of any celebrity getting seriously injured in such circumstances? I certainly haven't, and if you have, please do share in the comments. Now, let's address another aspect of this situation. Some individuals have criticized Burak Özcivit's visit to Pakistan, claiming he's there solely for financial gain. But isn't that a bit unrealistic? We live in a world where everyone works to earn a living, and the entertainment industry is no exception. The fact is, the people of Pakistan hold a genuine affection for him, and that's why they came out in large numbers to greet him. It's a display of pure admiration. Speaking of admiration, Burak Özcivit isn't the first Turkish actor to be welcomed warmly in Pakistan. Cengiz Coşkun and Nurettin Sönmez were also greeted with great affection during their visits. But what sets Burak Özcivit apart is his widespread popularity. He's not just an actor, he's a global icon for his role in Kurulus Osman. In fact, 80% of the viewership for both these series, Kurulus Osman and Dirilis Ertugrul, came from Pakistan, a fact acknowledged and appreciated by the producer, Mehmet Bozdag. In conclusion, the controversy stirred by a media figure's claim might be more rooted in jealousy than genuine concerns. What's undeniable is the tremendous respect and love that Burak Özcivit received during his visit to Pakistan. He arrived and departed safely and happily, basking in the overwhelming affection of his Pakistani fans. I myself was happy to see him in Pakistan, despite not being a fan of him. In fact, Burak was really enjoying this level of protocol he received here in Pakistan, which I think he received from nowhere. As a final note, we can't help but look forward to the day when J. Management reaches out to Engin Altan, the star of Dirilis Ertugrul, and brings him to Pakistan, providing him with a similar warm welcome. And that wraps up our discussion for today. Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing updates. Until next time, take care